look over here, please. Okay, that's good.
I was just thinking how easy it is to make a mistake. Oh my goodness.
It's quite delightful. Oh, I'm still recording. That was too funny. Milk and stuff to silk, and then we have wine. It's straight off the vine. Here, have some of my scrap.
Where'd you? Oh, then you gotta go get it. You're gonna have it with you.
Well, we have da 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 da. Dang it! Okay. Well, we have. I can't do it. Clear page everyone. So white turns into black, while yellow turns into blue. Oh, that's not good.
Part.
Are we still going?
Yeah.
Really?
You already filmed that part.
Oh!
That's okay, because you're just gonna cut out what you want.
I know, but we're still filming. Okay. So, okay.
Hold that and then say.
We're gonna have to do this over again. I can't do this. Action.
Oh, good.
Wait a minute. Oh,
Wait. I see chicken. Wait, you know, I mean, I'll be here
Whoops.
later on.
well, we have.
Cut.
Well, that is our show, and it is called movie, and it is called. It's not called movie. Hope you didn't see that. Are you serious, or are you just joking?
Look how slow I'm going. I'm not kidding. I mean, I'm kidding, but.
Bloopers! Funny, right? I know. Thanks for watching. See you later. Ding!